Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, compass, power windows, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.